Our people are already feeling the warmth of the government. How do you leave government to go and join the opposition and then come back to government? I thought it was, I mean, really, I don't understand the logic. You are in the broad-based government. You want to leave it so that you come back to government. I don't know whether that route of going to Riggy G will bring you to government. I'm telling you that route of Riggy G will not bring you back to government, and our people were not born to be in the opposition forever. Opposition. Let others also taste opposition. We have been there for a long time. We have been leading them. If it is demonstrations, we know demonstrations more than all of them. But they can come to us for lessons on demonstrations.